Bonanza, Littoparov, Maca, Likuklov, El Pane Sakharov. Henry, come in! Like a movie! Un movie de Minions! Si! Topissimo! Grandiosi!
Oh, Matt. How's that going to end up? Need to make it, whatever challenges get in your way. Yes, it's clear this is a real passion project.
Sì, però la glutamat.
E la macrope advice.
Sì, but
Advice? You wrote a monster movie? With a very big monster? You guys have film equipment? What are you going to use for your monster? Okay. Listen to me carefully. So, if you want to make a very cool monster movie, you will need a Fantasticus very cool monster. I can't really help you with that, I'm afraid. But I can give you this.
Max, wirklich?
I'm passing it on to you now. It was a gift from my father. My first camera. I know you'll do great. I believe in you, James. Good luck, guys.